Hello everyone, thanks for your attention for us. Today, we would like to show you how to cut new Honda Smart Key on S1 jaw by Alpha Pro. This instructional video only shows how to decode and cut by original key. For do all key lost, please refer to the instructional video of S2 jaw. We will use the S1 automobile key jaw in this video. If you have S2 jaw, you can watch the instructional video of S2. The operation steps will be more convenient and accurate. To avoid wasting key blanks, please do calibration on S1 jaw before decoding and cutting. We need to insert the stopper and fix the M3 bolts by 1.5 mm L-wrench into S1 jaw. Please note that new Honda Smart Key can insert one side into cylinder only. We will see there are distinguished for side A and side B. A picture of original key will be better for reference. To avoid any mistake in the following operations, please remember the distinguish for side A and side B. The original key is very short with side groove. Due to the fixing reason, we could not cut the biting number and side groove in one time. The side groove must be cut before cutting the biting number, otherwise you could not cut the side groove successfully as the width of the key blank will be recognized incorrectly after cutting the biting number. If your key blank doesn't have side groove and Alpha Pro has the function to cut side groove of this key, you can cut the side groove by Alpha Pro firstly. However, if your key blank has side groove, you could skip the steps to cut the side groove and cut the biting number directly. First, let's cut the side groove of this key. You can enter duplicate then new Honda. There will be selections about side A groove and side B groove. The default cutter is 2.0 mm. Fix the side A of key blank on the S1B. Then click Cut. Cutting side A groove is done. Debris must be cleaned from jaw and key blank, and then fix the side B of key blank on the S1B. Switch to side B groove and then click Cut. All cutting of side groove is done. Let's see the cutting effect. Next, let's enter into the data of new Honda to decode and cut by original key. we can see there are distinguished for side A and side B. The default jaw is S2. Please click the arrow to switch S1 jaw. Let's decode side A firstly. Click Decode and open Round, as this key is usually not worn. Fix side A of the original key to S1D as shown on picture. The M3 bolt must be fastened after fixing the S1 jaw. After fixing well, please remove the stopper and click Decode to start decoding. Debris must be cleaned from jaw and decoder. Decoding side A is done. Please click Switch to side B and click Decode to start decoding side B without change any default value. Then remove stopper and click Decode. Well, all decoding is done. We can start to cut side B directly. Please click Cut to enter cutting page. The default cutter is 2.0 millimeters. Please make sure to use 2.0 millimeters cutter. The material of this key is special. Please adjust the cutting speed less than 5 to avoid damage cutter. Fix side B of a key blank on S1, be guided by a stopper, and remember to remove stopper after fix well. Please make sure the M3 bolt must be fastened, otherwise the key blank will be off and the cutting will be failed. Click Cut. Debris must be cleaned from jaw and decoder before cutting. Cutting side B is done. Open the shield and clean debris from jaw and decoder to get the key blank. And then fix the side A to S1B by stopper. Click Switch to side A and cut without change any default value to start cutting. Debris must be cleaned from jaw and decoder, and the shield should be closed during cutting. Now all cutting is done. We can verify the new key is working very well. Finally, let's compare the original key with the new cut key.